uncle, I came to ask some small help from you.
Help?
Yes. Uncle, you know say the family too hard. Everything hard. And I me be the breadwinner. So I want start this Yahoo business where they do.
Continue.
I want start them. So I want like make you how I want start them. Make you just show me the way how I fit start. Now just get small idea how I fit start.
Are you implying that I'm doing Yahoo?
No, but if you get that small.
I know how everything works. Okay. Is your father alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is your mother alive?
Yes.
Your siblings?
Child.
Okay. Go and forge your father's signature and take out money from his account.
Apostle, we hear of this.
I'm not here.
Start it at home.
What?
Start your Yahoo at home.
Why?
Why? Because charity begins at home.